Hey everyone, and welcome to Home Network's DIY Studio. Now, raising kids comes with a lot of lessons, and one of the biggest is teaching them about money.
Absolutely. From budgeting their allowance to saving for their future, financial literacy is a skill that starts young.
And today we're joined by finance expert Melissa Leong to help us break it all down.
Thank you so much for having me. You know, helping kids understand money isn't just about numbers. It's about helping them build the confidence and the skills to have their own strong financial future.
Brian and I introduced our younger kids to savings by giving them small savings challenges. We set a goal for a special toy, and they would track their progress in a fun way.
That's a great way to make money feel real. For preteens, it's all about making saving and budgeting hands-on. And for parents, as you know, RBC's mobile app is a great tool to help build that confidence. Whether it's monitoring spending or setting up automatic transfers, there are ways to help teach your kids smart financial habits.
Now, for teens, it gets more real. We've encouraged our kids to take on part-time jobs. And we talked to them about budgeting for what they want versus what they need.
Yes, giving teens the opportunity to earn their own money helps them understand the value of a dollar. It's also a great time to introduce them to concepts like smart spending and money management themselves. With RBC Advantage Banking Account for students, teens 13 to 24 can easily manage their money. Free Interact e-transfers mean they can send and receive money with friends, and unlimited debit transactions let them make everyday purchases without worrying about fees. And they can do it all easily on the RBC mobile app.
And then there are the late teens, the big transition into adulthood. So we're teaching our older kids about concepts around basic investing and budgeting, like their first car or saving for school.
That is key. And this is also when they should start to understand credit. How to use it wisely, how to avoid debt traps. For example, relying on credit cards for everyday expenses but not paying off the balance each month can result in high interest debt that can be difficult to escape.
Financial literacy is a journey, and it's never too early or too late to start.
Yeah, you want to start small, you want to make it fun, and remember, kids learn healthy financial habits by watching those around them.
Thanks so much, Melissa, for these great tips.
And thank you for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time on Home Network's DIY Studio, presented in part by RBC.
Your ideas happen here.